Minisita omubeezi w'ebyemizannyo Peter Ogwang ayaniriza Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza n'emizannyo mu ggwanga Janet Museveni okufulumya ebyavudde mu bigezo bya siniya ey'omukaaga.
Mama, the country waits for your message. Allow me at this juncture to invite you.
Minisita Museveni mu kwogera kwe asiimye aba UNEB olw'omulimu gwe bakoze mu mwaka guno gwabadde n'ebigezo eby'emiteeka ebiri mu O-level okuli ebya curriculum empya n'okumaliriza ebya curriculum enkadde.
On behalf of the government, I want to appreciate UNEB for this work that they do. More so in 2024, when we had to administer the pioneer UCE examinations under the revised lower secondary curriculum, as well as winding up on the end of cycle examinations for UCE under the old curriculum.
Alaze essanyu olw'abayizi abaatula ebigezo okweyongera mu mitendera gyonna.
The end of cycle examinations across all levels, that is PLE, UCE and USCE, combined for the year 2024, saw a 7.1% increase in total candidature. Whereas 2024 USCE examination results alone had a 28% increase in candidature.
Awabudde nti tekyetaaga kulaba bulabe oba okumanyiraliza ati wabula omutindo gw'ebyenjigiriza n'okumanya ekiviiriddeko omuwendo gw'abayizi abatudde siniya ey'omukaaga okweyongera ennyo ku mulundi guno bw'ogeraageranya n'emyaka egiyise.
The fact that we may not be able to explain right away why we are seeing good results today does not mean that the good results just come about by a stroke of chance. Often, there is intentional work that has been done by government over the years in the background.
Asonze ku bwetaavu bw'abasomesa okukyusa engeri gye basomesaamu amasomo ga science, tekinologiya n'okubala okugaagazisa abayizi.
The way sciences and mathematics are taught needs to change. This change starts with a teacher changing his or her attitude toward STEM and how it ought to be taught.
Yeeyamye nti gavumenti yakugenda mu maaso n'okwetegereza kalikulamu empya ya O-level egenderera okuzuula n'okuzimba obusobozi bw'abayizi.
UNEB is going to come up with awareness engagements to increase the public's understanding of how the grading system works under the revised lower secondary curriculum.
Akuutidde bekikwatako okwekenneenya kalikulamu ya A-level mu bbanga lya myaka 4 nga bwe kyasalibwawo kabinenti era nti gavumenti etaddewo n'omukisa eri abayizi abaagala okusoma obusomesa ku yunivasite.
As a matter of necessity and urgency, review their respective curricula for initial teacher education and training. So that's the trend we are taking. I'm sure you understand that we are moving from here to also higher education at the university level. The mismatch where universities continue to graduate teachers who cannot utilize competence-based and learner-centered curricula is undesirable. I call upon the higher education subsector to take keen interest in the process of reviewing the A-level curriculum over the course of the next 4 years, as has been provided for by Cabinet.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.